So, hello everyone. Of course, good morning. It's been around 1:37 a.m. and I'm recording my video. You are thinking in that way that I'm recording my video too early. Yeah, of course, it's too early because usually I record my video approx around 7 or 8 a.m. But yeah, we have to be flexible with ourselves, that we don't have to be the fixed mindset person that I have to do that thing on that particular time. Yeah, that's a discipline, we all know that thing. But the main thing is that if due to certain scenarios that thing haven't taken place, then we have to change our schedule and we have to be flexible onwards. Because if we will have that kind of fixed mindset, then we can't do anything. Okay, just hold on here. Yeah, so I was telling you that if you have the fixed mentality that no, I have to do that thing on that time, and if that thing hadn't happened on that time, it means that it is my problem, it is my mistake. Yeah, of course it's yours, but don't think in that way. Na, you have to change your mentality as well. Because for me today, actually, I had slept around my usual time. It's been around 11 p.m. I guess. Yeah. So I have planned it, and I have also set my alarm to wake me up on 3. But due to certain scenarios, I have to wake up around 1, and after that I was trying my best that I should sleep for the next 3 hours, for the next 2 hours. But to be very honest, I have not been able to do that. Like, just see, I am in my PG right now, and you can see the outer words around me. I can't see properly because there is no one inside, and there is a couple just before me, and I don't want to disturb them. So yeah, they have their own movement and they should enjoy. We don't have any right to interfere in that movement. So yeah, it is too dark. It is too dark, bro. It is too dark. It's been around 1:40, and how come you can see any people apart from that species, which I don't want to discuss here, and you better know about what I'm trying, about what I'm talking here. So yeah, and actually they have the guts that they can be alone even in the jungle or whatsoever, because they have the power with each other, and they just get power through each other to stay or to live somewhere. If they will be asked to live alone, any one of them, then they don't have that much grudges, they don't have that much capability, or you can say that the power to stay alone at the same thing, at the same time, at the same place. But you all know that they have the superpower, and they are sharing with each other. So that's why they are doing that thing. So kudos to them. And yeah, of course, we are let's back to our topic. So yeah, I was saying that we have to be fragile. We have to be fragile. We have to be. So now, as you can say that even I can't, I haven't taken the proper sleep. That's a true thing. But now I will do one thing, that I will study till 4 or 5 a.m. Then I will get sleep if in case I will be tired. Otherwise I won't sleep, and definitely I will just sleep today only 2 hours, and I will head to the office. I will show to the office. I have to do that. I have to do that. I don't have any other option. And of course, as I am recording my video on a daily basis, so I can sense that my English is not that much fantastic. I don't know why it is happening with me. So it's a better chance for me to work on my English as well. And I am doing that thing. I think the video is lagging kind of. Maybe you better know than me. Hello. So yeah, let's welcome again. So yeah, I was telling that what will be my plan today, like tonight, after my disbalance in my sleep cycle and even my daily schedule time. But I have to manage it anyhow. And actually, it was not my mistake that my sleep cycle has been disbalanced. It is because of some external factors which I don't want to mention here. But it is life, and we have to cooperate with every single thing. But we don't have to cooperate. We don't have to compromise our goal, because we are changing it with full throttle, and we have to do that at any cost. We have to do that at any cost. Okay? करना है ना? करना ही है. नहीं करेगो क्या? नहीं करोगे क्या? क्या करोगे? एक ही लाइफ है. एक ही लाइफ है, एक ही है दम तेरे में. कर देंगे यार, कर देंगे, चाहे कितना भी डम हो. No matter how dumb we are, no matter how silly, how foolish we are, just consistency hit करो. Daily consistency hit करो bro. We can achieve anything just by being consistent. And if you feel like you don't have the capacity to be consistent, then just think in that way, that try to create a chain of anything. Okay, let me tell you in a more descriptive manner. The thing is that for me, video recording was a very tedious task. Okay, for me, video recording was a very tedious task. So what I have done? I have taken a challenge with me. Firstly, I have record my video 30 days straight to see whether I am consistent or not. So I have recorded. The moment when I have recorded my video, after 1 month, I have taken a challenge with me. Okay, that thing is okay. But now I am taking a serious challenge of 60 days. That I will record my video up to 60 days straight. And today is my day 14 straight, and definitely I will hit that mark. So it will kind of give you the spark to maintain the streak. अरे स्नैपचैट की स्ट्रिक मेंटेन करते हो ना? नहीं करते क्या? टूटता है तो दर्द होता है ना? वैसे स्नैपचैट, सोचो कि स्नैपचैट की जगह तुम अपना गोल का स्ट्रिक मेंटेन कर रहे हो, कितना मजा आएगा ना जब गोल भी पूरे होंगे. तो सोचो कि तब पता है क्या होगी मेंटेलिटी, बोला कि है हार जाए स्नैपचैट की स्ट्रिक, देखो गोल का स्ट्रिक मेंटेन करो यार, कितना मजा आ रहा है. आ ही रखा है स्नैपचैट की स्ट्रिक में. सोचोगे ना? बस कुछ नहीं, बस रिप्लेस करना है. रिप्लेस करना हमें आना चाहिए ना, रिप्लेस करना. आना चाहिए ना, बस कुछ नहीं. अरे हमें तो इस स्नैपचैट की स्ट्रिक्ट मेंटेन करने की आदत है, तो आदत है तो उसको हम अच्छे वे में लेंगे। कैसे लेंगे? हमें आदत है, इट मीन्स कि हमें कोई बोलेगा नहीं, हमें कोई बोल नहीं सकता कि नहीं तुम स्नैपचैट की स्ट्रिक्ट मेंटेन ही करो, बट स्टिल हम वो चीज़ करते हैं, बट स्टिल वी आर डूइंग दैट थिंग। तो बस उसको रिप्लेस ही तो करना है ना स्नैपचैट से। स्नैपचैट को रिप्लेस कर दो गोल से, बस अब अपने गोल की स्ट्रिक्ट मेंटेन कर रहे हो, गोल की स्ट्रिक्ट मेंटेन कर रहे हो, तो वाह वाह वाह, कितना ही फायदा होगा, कितना ही फायदा होगा, आपका जयकारा लगेगा। अभी नहीं, आएगा समय, हम दिखा देंगे कि हम कौन है। तब तक के लिए शांत रहिए, मस्त रहिए, लेकिन त्रस्त मत रहिए, त्रस्त मत रहिए, बस मस्त रहिए। और लेकिन पढ़ाई करते रहिए, अपना काम करते रहिए, जो भी कर रहे हो। मिलते हैं डे 15। काम करो। See you.